because the chefs will do reduction sauces and jam with that. Yeah.
So there's no waste in the end, which is
No.
absolutely great.
Exactly.
Beautiful.
We don't like to waste nothing. That's
That's
why
beautiful.
we invented long time ago the Mateus rosé wine.
Wow.
It was from the leftovers and the bad quality.
Probably.
Oh.
No waste.
Oh, you like it? Oh, you like it? Not anymore, yeah. I don't recommend. Your liver will thank you. Don't do that. Mateus rosé was, well, it's a wine lab. It's made on the lab, that one, okay? Forget that. Alright, so my friends, we're gonna do like this. I'm gonna serve you this beautiful timeless wine in your glasses, okay? After that, we're gonna have, we finish the port, 5 minutes free time, and we go back to the bus. Why? Because, my friends, we go to the boat, to the heart of the Douro Valley, to end the day strong in the boat, drinking with Jack Sparrow. You're gonna drink sparkling wine in the boat.
Because he's Portuguese as well.
No, he's not. That's what no. Oh, look at you with 2 glasses. Oh, yeah. I always hear that all the time. Went to the bathroom.
It's quite
better than midpoint.
Now that you mentioned it, yeah, I do smell a lot of maple syrup.
Right? I think wine is always
Rather than a computer.
This is the Champions League.
Ah ouais, c'est Porto, les champions League.
Careful, my lady. Sorry.
Oh, pardon me.
You're blocking me. Obrigado.
Don't run out.